If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, please like, please share. I'm here just to take you down memory lane. Back in the days when we have the board houses, wattle and dab houses, and the houses made from plywood, concrete, and a little metal. Waking up early was one thing that many of us didn't like. If we wake up early in the morning at the sound of the alarm clock at that time, was the rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And you have to wake up and help your mother in the kitchen and prepare breakfast. So when you're in the kitchen and help prepare the breakfast, your mother make sure I tell you, say, she prepare you that if you get one husband, you can cook for your husband, make your husband lick him finger. At that time, we were so contented with the little breakfast we had. Sometime a fried dumpling and black tea. Sometime a porridge. And some we never like the caramel porridge up till now. But some we glad to get the caramel porridge because there was nothing else and we never have a choice. At that time, you get ready for school before going to school. Them time there, people believe strongly in education and tell you, say, education a way I go get them out of poverty, Education was the best escape, a place where you could dream for a better future. Classroom. They didn't have a lot of resources and underfunded. Crumbling classroom. Me remember one classroom of 50 picking in there. That time when you do the testing, man, and if you come last, first, second, or third, you know so them a paste up the cartridge paper with all the name them on the blackboard, Me remember one boy come 49, and then say you come near to 50. Them time there was the board bench. And me fi tell you, things and time change now, but going down to memory lane. Them picnic there, some of them learn and some of them unlearn. Because them know them parents have to work hard to send them to school. Some parents could not afford the book them and could not buy one book on the book list. And then you have to end up and borrow book to study. Poor mama at the time could not afford certain things. Yes, but they strongly believe in prayer and go down upon their knee and pray that one day God will make them situation a little brighter. Some of them mother have to selling at the market, as a market vendor. And some picnic have to go home, go help them mother sell things in the market. Sometimes them mother come home, market bad. They had to make and do with the little that they had. After working so many long hours in the market, selling vegetable and fruits, Then look upon themselves and then say this struggle is real. But then believe that God will make a way somehow. Then they would have sing themselves to bed. Sing themselves. Sing, sing, sing. Sing the cloud away and pray up till to the day. Every Jackman Dora we born and grew at Jamaica still believe say God in everything, put God first, because that was the only song them know. We put God in everything, because that's how we parents grew up. We put God in the mix of every God Almighty thing. They teaches us to be resilient and hard work pays. Sometimes we parents never have no education. Some of our parents couldn't read. But at the same time, we have to read the book to them and tell them what we read. Because they want we to learn, and be the best. Young people, we are going to lead the world. They always tell we say, and we are going to take over. And here we are today. Parents strongly believe in education and that the sky is the limit. And education is the key for breaking the cycle of poverty. In the midst of challenges, my parents' story become a testament, a testimony of you to be resilient. Remind you every day to be resilient. Hope and power of community. It's a reminder that even in the midst of the darkest hour, darkest corner of poverty, the light and determination can shine. Them the time then, man. The sun did shine so bright and the place looked so beautiful with the luscious cane field, fruits to eat, day in, day out every season. The light and determination shine through domination. Not domination, the illumination of the light shine through the Jamaican. The path to a better tomorrow. Look at where we are now. Who did tell you and me say we would have reached this? Who did tell we say there would be a better tomorrow? Come make we sit down upon the stone. Come make we sit down under the sweet sap tree. Come make we sit down under the purple startup tree. Green startup. Eat neeseberry. Eat sibble orange. Eat sour orange. Make lemonade. Make drinks with sugar and water. Eat cane, mango, jackfruit. You name it. Them the time they will never have internet. No computer. All we knew at the time is to make your own toy. Play marble. You have this stone, and when you take the stone and you throw, you have the elastic band to pay me. Because me lick your stone. Not to mention when a social time. And you got church social. Them put on a piece of patabella goat there. Them cook, them grate the coconut. Them make the rundown. And cook down every Jackman Dora food in the rundown. Me give it a name, all in one. That time them burn all the salvage and put in it, All in one hour, John saw them coming. We play a ring game in the night there. We eat dukuno. We eat blue drawers. We eat ton caramel. Eat caramel pudding. That's one of the sweetest things me enjoy in the childhood days. For gas social. And when they sing say London burning, look yonder, fire, fire. And we have no water. And when they start to sing say, some of them are holla, some are ball chichibodoy, some are black neck, some are red neck. And then you go down to one man went to mow the meadow. One man and his dog Spot went to mow the meadow. You go again. And you play a ring game, 1 and 22 and 23 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 20. Then you go down to Johnny was a miller and he lived by the mill and the mill went round and round. One hand in the other hand, the other in the sack. The right step forward and the left step back. Moving right along, you go to musical cheers. Why? Then you go down a Manuel road, figure broke rock stone, broke them one by one. Finger mash, no mind, member, play, we are play. Then you have the Chinese skip. Chinese skip, you jump in, you jump out. Then you have skipping rope. Auntie Lulu. Then you have ringer rosy, pocket full of crosy. A tissue, we all fell down. And then you sing, the window, I throw you through the window. And if you don't have no nursery rhyme, me, I throw you through the window. So at that time, you have to quick can find one nursery rhyme for say, because if you don't get a nursery rhyme for say, you know you're going to go through the window. Thank God for the good old days. It taught us a lot. I'll come back with another video, my community, where I was born, bred, and raised. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the video. Please like up the video. Please share the video, because I am taking you back in the Stone Age, down back to memory lane, where me come from, where me sit down on the stone right under the custard apple tree. Yes. Let us make a difference. Jamaicans living here in the diaspora. Let us unite. Some uno take the kiss me ass pill and chew you down on your throat and take the piece of tick and dash it back at uno. Uno no want to say uno Jamaican. And then uno go out on no mouth. Uno no like Jamaican. I am Jamaican. Proud Jamaican. Bred, born and raised. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.